Welcome back to GeForce, and in this video we'll be looking at MSI's Prestige 14, which is this beautiful little number that comes with an Intel 10th Gen Core i7 processor and an Nvidia MX250 GPU. The MSI Prestige 14 retails at Rm4,899 for the specs as seen on the screen, and it comes with configurations with higher specs like 4K screen and GTX 1650 Max-Q GPU. Starting with the 14-inch Full HD IPS panel screen, I'm pleased that it's of a matte surface, and display-wise I'm impressed at how the colors look so accurate out of the box. The Prestige 14 is a slim and light 1.3 kg laptop, and the screen opens to a 180-degree angle. Using the Prestige 14 was a pleasure as the keyboard is well lit in white LED and the keys are solid with a gentle bump like a brown switch. The ultra-wide touchpad is superb. I like that silky smooth surface that I don't see in many other laptops. The Prestige 14 comes with 16GB of memory and a speedy 0.5 TB NVMe SSD storage. The Prestige 14 also comes with two USB Type-A 2.0 ports on the right and two USB Type-C 3.2 ports on the left, and it has a micro SD card reader. I think my favorite part about the Prestige 14 is that it charges using USB Type-C, and with a good supply of power, it charges at about 1% per minute. I tried playing 4K video at the maximum screen brightness, and it seems that it can last some good 8 hours on a full charge. So the claim of 10 hours productivity time isn't far-fetched at all. The only downside I faced with the Prestige 14 is that it throttles. I tried rendering my usual 4K 3-minute length video. The system goes full speed at the start and slowly lowers the clock speed as time passes. In the end, what used to be done in a matter of minutes went on for more than 15 minutes. The clock speed doesn't return to high speed even when the temperature was at a manageable range. Heat from the Prestige 14 is exhausted from the underside, and speaking of the underside, the speakers are placed there too, and the speaker is loud enough, though not bassy, but definitely satisfying enough for a laptop. And that's all I have to say for the MSI Prestige 14. As a photographer, this laptop is perfect. But as someone who wants to create video on the go, I'm disappointed at the performance. So as a whole, I'm giving it just a silver badge. Still a great product nonetheless. It's just that, well, MSI has to look into this shortcoming. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.